crazy. Yeah, he is. Don't you think? Don't you think he's just crazy?
Have a little fun and yeah. Little fun today. Can I videotape?
I think she wants to feed you one of those.
No.
Let her feed you one. She wants to put one in your mouth.
No.
Let go.
On the tape.
No.
Why? Why?
Because you haven't finished your lunch.
Darn it.
Who the boo-boo? Who's the boo-boo? What you doing with those feet down there? Look at that.